Hello everybody, it's Matthew here. Welcome to our channel. Today we're in Santa Cruz, California, up in the mountains on this big 1.63 acre property that's listed for $1,795,000. It is a single family property that has 2 houses on it. Your guest house is going to have 3 bed, 2 bath. Your main house, which is behind me right now that we're about to go see, is going to be a 4 bed, 3 bath. And it's going to have 4,000 square feet of decking, a pool, multiple parking spots for RVs, boats, all of your cars. It has a carport, and it's going to have over 5,000 square foot of combined living space between the 2 homes. So let's go check it out. This property is located at 248 McGivern Way, and I'd like to thank the listing agent Eric for letting us come tour his personal home and his awesome listing. Coming on in into the entranceway, we're greeted with a super open concept that brings you into the house with all these beautiful windows looking at your redwoods surrounding your place. It's almost like you're in a tree house here, and it's super serene. We have a transom. We have all these big picture windows with all this lounge furniture, couches and chairs looking around. I like how this is like a cabin property. What I mean by that is that it's going to be separated with many different levels, and it's going to be quirky in the best way. It adds a lot of interest to the architecture of the place. So this landing area is elevated. We're going to step on down into this living area. Nice cherry stained wood handrails lead you down to this seating area that has a step down to another little nook that is a lounge area. So it's just really cool. We're going to have some textured stuccoed walls, real big planked wood floors. I love the different colors in this wood flooring. It's going to be like a light brown, some blues, grays. We have a skylight over here, can lights. Switching from the textured stucco, we come over into this pine wood planked ceiling, big beams. The beams and the wood ceilings in this place is truly stunning. I don't know if I've seen a place recently with this much exposed wood ceilings. All new, all beautiful, high quality pieces of wood. Coming into this office area off of this living space, you're going to have these nice original old rolling glass doors that can be found in a lot of older homes around 100 years old era. They're going to have these pocket doors. They expose them and they're in great shape and they look really good and add a lot of class to this room. And it's going to have large closets, a little skylight. This place has a lot of skylights just bringing you into the outside. Coming out the stairs of the lower living area, we're now to the upper living space, kitchen area. You're instantly drawn in by the Spanish tile. You're like, oh my gosh, this is awesome. It's beautiful flooring. It has some hand-painted tiles sprinkled in throughout. Nice Edison bulb modern light above this dining room nook table. Instantly, you like this corner nook seating area. Super cozy, has a nice view of the front of your property. Coming into the kitchen, we have these beautiful natural stone countertops, oversized undermounted farm sink, nice dark metal fixtures. We have modern dark black metal handles on all this real wood, beautiful cabinetry. All right, we have 2 pantries right here. 1, 2, decent shelving space for your dried goods. And then we have a nice box window over here if you're into succulents and plants. Let's zoom in on this nice GE gas range right here with a griddle built in the middle, which is super helpful. Over here, we're gonna have nice glass cabinetry so you can show off your wine glasses with your wine holders here. Decent sized kitchen. Again, this is a guest house, but it's its own house. Wood railings here separating this room from the staircase. We have some under staircase storage. We have a fireplace over here with ventilation so the fireplace heat can get upstairs, which we will show a nice zoomed in view of that. This is a functional mudroom. It has a seat, and it's actually a box seat, so you can put storage in under here. It has some shelves. You can sit down, take off your shoes. This door leads right into the breezeway. Out this door, you can get to the pool and the pool area. Plus you have your own private deck for this house. Coming up the staircase, easy to walk, not too steep, which is good for these cabin homes. Sometimes they can have quite steep staircases, beautiful wood handrail. We have storage here on the end of the hall. That vent that I was talking about earlier, right above your fireplace. So when you kick it on, you can be toasty upstairs as well as down. And we're gonna have a big closet here with built-in shelving. This is basically a bunk room. Well done. We have a ladder leading up to the upper area where you could have some mattresses. It's big enough to where you could have a queen or a king size bed or like 2 twins. The loft has its own skylight, has its little lights. It has also a transom leading outside as well. This house has so many cool windows and skylights and it bringing in all this light. I know I keep saying that, but it just does. We're gonna have 2 windows and then a door leading out to a balcony which attaches to the other bedroom that we're gonna go see right now. Coming into the bathroom, we have tile floors, natural stone countertop like we saw downstairs in the kitchen. We're gonna have the sink fixtures that are dark, dual vanities. We have the same wood cabinetry. We're gonna have Edison bulb fixture. The ceiling's gonna go up here and turn into a wood ceiling with that nice wood planks and the exposed beams. We have sconces up here on the wall and then a window bringing in some natural light in your bathroom. The tile work in these showers is above the average that we have toured on houses before. They're gonna have all these individual really pretty tiles in lines going around the shower, and then they have their big slabs of the other kind. Just attention to detail on this, it looks nice. Walking down to the last room on this story, I want to talk about how the floors are all brand new. This whole house has just been renovated top to bottom, $500,000 put into it. And this carpet, as you can see, still has plastic on it, if you can see. I don't know if the camera's picked it up yet. But anyway, that is why. If you're asking, why is there plastic on the carpets? It's because they're brand new and they don't want footprints or other traffic getting on them. So we're in this bedroom. Again, huge sunlight bringing in a lot of light. Big picture window looking out at the beautiful pool and the decking. Remember that first bedroom on this floor that had the balcony door? It connects to that one. You guys have a shared balcony. We're gonna have a slide mirror closet and then just big tall ceilings with all that pretty exposed wood beams. Right next to me, you can see these really nice retaining walls made out of some big oversized river rock that just tears up and down. This whole place is super peaceful and you're up here on a mountain away from all the noises and busy life. Coming into this main living area of your main house, you're gonna be instantly brought in by these big beams. You're like, wow, they're huge. Oversized wood exposed beams. We have nice wood floors, and they're not the same color, which is nice because that would have been boring. These are a much darker wood with variances of color, whereas the ceiling is lighter, so it makes it feel open. You have your very own sunroom out here, which is nice to have in such a beautiful area such as Santa Cruz where you have good weather all the time. You can enjoy it. We're gonna have like a secondary living space off of the main living space down here, and or could be an office. There's a bath right there. It connects to your sunroom. There's a door that leads out to one of the mini decks on the property. Let's go check out the bathroom. Just a basic guest bath, but it's a full bath because it includes a shower. Coming upstairs from the downstairs, we enter in our first bedroom off to my left, and we're going to have really nice accordion closet doors, built-in storage over here, door out to your own deck area. Leaving the bedroom right behind the camera lady, Elena, we come into our second bedroom on this floor, and it has these nice built-in storage shelves over here. Big accordion closet with some built-ins, the beautiful same hardwood floors. This bedroom is connected to a different large deck right off of it. So almost all these rooms are getting their own decks as well. Let me point out that in the hallway and up the stairs, it's gonna be all that brand new carpet we saw in your guest house. Walking up to the third floor, yes, you heard me right, and we're not even done going up stories yet. This is gonna be your main kitchen living area, and it is beautiful. Let's come in this designer kitchen with 2 islands. That island serves as a breakfast bar as well. We have your undermount stainless prep sink on this island, black fixtures. Over here on your main farm sink, we have undermount brushed stainless finish. Nice box window, got your dishwasher, microwave, lots of cabinetry in this area to store all of your food, pots, pans, and cooking utensils. We're gonna have your big gas 6-burner range, got your hood, more of this beautiful natural stone countertops. We have windows overlooking your awesome pool and deck area all along this wall. Feels almost resort-like on this floor. You overlooking all of your decks and your pools and stuff. It's a very fancy feel. I love the idea of putting your dining room table where it is right now, because then you can overlook this great view as you're eating. More of these massive beams, wood ceiling. This fireplace is something like you'd see at a lodge, and a nice one at that. All this natural smoothed out stone. It goes all the way up to the ceiling, and it just looks great. Over here, a window overlooking more of your property. Coming from that fireplace, we have a little nook, nice seating area, which is another living area. We have some sconces. Let's come into the guest bath on this floor. It's a full bath. We have your tub set up, glass tile surrounds, accent stripes as you can see on the tile. We have black fixtures, mirror, one sink, not dual vanity sinks. Since it's a guest bath, makes sense. We have your natural stone, countertop, Edison bulb fixture, and then a nice window bringing us natural light. This fourth floor coming up the stairs from your living and kitchen area is your own primary bedroom and bath setup. So we're in the primary bedroom, huge tall ceilings with the exposed wood beams, wood ceiling. We have 2 windows right here. And then we have little higher windows which give you privacy while bringing in light in the room. We have the same beautiful wood plank wood floors, got some sconces, and then we're coming into the primary bathroom. Huge walk-in tile shower with full glass surround coming in, glass to glass joint. We're going to have a mother of pearl finish tile wrapping around. Exposed wood beams in this bathroom as well. Dual vanity sinks, natural stone countertop. Got the wood cabinetry with the black fixtures like we've seen in this property. Tall window over the toilet again, bringing in light, giving you ventilation while keeping your privacy. This closet is plenty big for a his and a her. We have built-ins, 2 hanging racks on either side, and the ceilings are full height. Has its own balcony, deck area, just like a lot of the rooms in this place. But this one's a bit bigger, which is nice because you could actually put some furniture out there, go have a morning cup of coffee, and have the privacy of basically your own deck. Coming off of your primary bed and bath, we're gonna have this little landing area which leads up to your split level 4th floor or 5th floor, depending on what you want to see it as, because I'm coming up another flight of steps. Coming into this cool, very sunny room. It's almost on the rooftop, but they enclosed it in. So we have nice wood floors, windows, a lot of sun, panoramic view here of all of the redwoods surrounding this property. Super private, super pretty. This is a private rooftop deck. And it's big and it's bright and it would be for the perfect sunning spot. If you guys enjoyed this house tour of this big property up in the Santa Cruz Mountains, go ahead and give us a like down below. Subscribe to this channel. We're gonna be doing lots more house tours. And I would like to thank the listing agent, Eric, for having us come tour his home and the beautiful listing.